Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Friends, today we have with us a special guest, CA Manoj Sahu, who is contesting for RCM at WRC level. I welcome Manoj for
Thank you.
joining us.
Thank you.
ओके सो मनोज जैसे आप आरसीएम कैंडिडेट के लिए इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं सो सबसे पहले हम आपकी जर्नी आईसीए में अब तक कैसी रही है उसके बारे में जानना चाहते हैं
So, I am the proud member of the ICI since more than 15 years. Over the decades, I am serving in the branch, Vadodara branch, at a various positions, and I have served as a chairman of the Vadodara branch. Under my leadership, Vadodara branch has awarded as a best branch at national as well as regional level. I am also actively involved in the various committees of the WIRC. Currently, I am the co-opted nominated member of the Auditing and Assurance Standard Committee of the WIRC. I am also the member of the FRRG group of the FRRB board of the ICAI. I am also the member of the peer review board of the ICAI. Apart from this, I have also contributed in the various publications which is published by the WIRC on the topics of the accounting standard, Ind AS, auditing standards. With this background, I am running for the upcoming ICAI Regional Council election.
परफेक्ट ओके सो मनोज जैसे आप इस आरसीएम इलेक्शन के लिए जा रहे हैं तो इस इलेक्शन के पीछे जाने के पीछे आपका मोटिवेशन क्या है
So, there are two reasons to go for this Regional Council election. Main two reasons to address the challenges which has been faced by the members at a various level and to strengthen our community by enhancing our professional development.
परफेक्ट स्पीकिंग ऑफ चैलेंजेस मनोज आपके हिसाब से कौन से ऐसे तीन चैलेंजेस हैं मेजर चैलेंजेस हैं जो हमारे मेंबर फेस कर रहे हैं और जिनको सॉल्व करना बहुत जरूरी है
I think the biggest challenge which has been faced by the member is to adopt regarding the rapid technological changes. The second one, we can say that for the new members, there should be an adequate mentorship program. And the third one is that each and every member should be feel included and belonging to our community.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट सो जिस तरह का विजन और जिस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस आप रखते हैं हम चाहेंगे कि आप आरसीएम इलेक्शन जीतें तो जैसे अगर आप इलेक्शन जीत जाते हैं तो पहले के 100 दिन जो होते हैं ना जो मोदी वाले 100 दिन होते हैं तो आपके ये 100 दिन में आपका फोकस क्या रहेगा बीइंग आरसीएम कैंडिडेट बीइंग इलेक्टेड आरसीएम
So, जो मैंने biggest challenge बताया regarding the rapid technological changes, so we will try that each and every member should be benefited with the artificial intelligence that has been coming up, and we will try to explore and make the our members aware of this artificial intelligence through various workshops and seminars. For mentorship, we will try to launch a mentorship program for the newly qualified members and the for new members which are beginning which are the new members who are beginning their journey of their professional careers. And lastly, to make our community more stronger, we will enhance our professional development.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट सो मुझे लगता है कि जैसे आप इलेक्शन जीतते हैं उसके बाद आपको ये सब काम करने के लिए मेंबर्स के साथ कनेक्टेड रहना पड़ेगा
Sure.
हाउ डू यू प्लान टू बी कनेक्टेड विथ योर मेंबर्स
So we have a plan after being elected to launch a one portal. उस पोर्टल पे every members can raise their concern, their queries, and we will try to resolve their queries and we will try to respond their queries and concerns, whereby we can get connected with each and every members on a one-to-one basis through this portal.
Perfect, perfect. So, last question, quick wrap up. मनोज, आप हमारे ऑडियंस को क्या आपका मैसेज है जो इस इलेक्शन से पहले देना चाहते हैं?
So I urge the members that if they like my visions and mission for the upcoming ICI election, so I urge them and request to cast their valuable vote in my favor, in my candidature's favor. For first preference vote, my ballot number is 39, CM Manoj Kumar Sahu, in the upcoming ICI election. And secondly, I urge that each and every member should come out and go for voting. Voting is not only our right, it is also our duty to cast the vote.
परफेक्ट, मेक सेंस। सो फ्रेंड्स, जिस तरह का क्लैरिटी और जिस तरह का विजन का क्लैरिटी और एक्शन प्लान का क्लैरिटी है, आई इवन आई अर्ज यू ऑल टू कास्ट योर फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस वोट फॉर सीए मनोज साहू at WRC level. Manoj, I wish a success for you in the election, upcoming election, and my wishes are always with you. Thank you, Manoj.
Thank you. Thank you, Vinod Bhai, for inviting me.